What is a registered agent? Do you need a registered agent? And can you be your own registered agent? Find out the answer in this video, starting right now. By the end of this video, you will know everything there is to know about registered agents. So go ahead and like this video for me so others can find it on YouTube, and subscribe for the best financial content you can find. Alright, enough of the intro. Let's get into it by first answering the question, what is a registered agent? A registered agent is a person or a company that is chosen to receive and accept service of process, legal documents, complaint notices, tax documents, and official notices on behalf of your business. Other names for a registered agent include a resident agent, a statutory agent, or an agent for service of process. Depending on your state, a registered agent may be called one of those names. Why is a registered agent important? States require some businesses to have a registered agent to ensure that you have a publicly available and reliable way for important business communications to reach you. This makes sense if you're being sued, you want to make sure you receive the complaint. Or if the government needs to notify you, you'll want to receive that notice. A registered agent serves as the point of contact for your business. They consolidate all information that needs to get to you into one destination and prevent those who need to contact you from sending important information to the wrong address. Now, which businesses need a registered agent? All businesses registered with the state are required to have a registered agent. If your business is one of the following entity types, you will need a registered agent. A corporation, a limited liability company, LLC, a limited partnership, a limited liability partnership, a limited liability limited partnership. When you go to register your business with your state, you will be asked for the name and address of your registered agent. So, you will want to have one before you register your business. This is true whether you register online, in person, or via mail. Sole proprietorships and general partnerships do not need a registered agent because registration with the state is not required for these entity types. So, what are the requirements for a registered agent? The requirements of a registered agent may differ from state to state, but here are the 4 general requirements. Age. If your registered agent is an individual, they must be at least 18 years old. Residency. If your registered agent is an individual, they must be a resident of the state you are registering in. If your registered agent is a company, the company must be authorized to do business in that state. Address. Whether your registered agent is an individual or a company, they must have a physical address. P.O. boxes cannot be used as the address of a registered agent. Availability. The registered agent must be available to accept mail and sign for documents during regular business hours, which is typically Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Who can be your registered agent? In general, your registered agent can be a third-party company or a person, including yourself. However, your own business cannot be appointed as your registered agent. That means you, your business partner, your mom, your lawyer, a third-party registered agent company, or even your best friend from high school can be your registered agent. The choice is yours, but whoever you choose must meet the requirements for age, residency, address, and availability. Oh, and by the way, make sure they are reliable. The last thing you want is for important mail to be sent to your registered agent and either received late or not at all. Most people either appoint their lawyer as a registered agent or act as their own registered agent to save money. But before you appoint yourself or someone you know, remember that the name and address of the registered agent is public record and will be easily visible to anyone who does a business search. For this reason, purchasing a physical address, appointing your lawyer, or using a third-party registered agent service like Northwest Registered Agent could offer more protection. Now, you might be thinking, why not appoint yourself as the registered agent? A major reason to use a third-party company as your registered agent is to protect your private information. The name and address of the registered agent are public record and will be easily visible to anyone searching for your business. If you act as your own registered agent, your personal information will be publicly available. Another reason to use a third party is peace of mind. As a business owner, you already have countless responsibilities. Keeping track of important mail might not be a priority, but having a third-party service handle it ensures you never miss important documents, whether you're working hard or on vacation. So, a common question arises: how much will a registered agent cost? You'd be surprised how affordable it is to have a company act as your registered agent. The price of hiring a registered agent depends on the company providing the service and may change with little notice. However, Northwest offers a registered agent service for a fixed $125 per year and has never raised that rate. One of my favorite third-party registered agent company is Northwest Registered Agent. I'll leave a link to their services in the description below. Lastly, let's walk you through how to set up a registered agent in any state. To do this, we're going to use northwestregisteredagent.com. Here's a step-by-step walkthrough to set up a registered agent through Northwest Registered Agent. Select Get a Registered Agent on the left-hand side. From there, you can learn more about registered agents in your state or get started right away by clicking Hire Northwest Now. Scroll through, find your state, and click Continue. Fill out details about your company, including its name and entity type. Fill out your contact information, including your name, phone number, and mailing address. Create an account with Northwest Registered Agent. You'll have the option to add on additional items like a business domain, website, email, and phone number. Look through each option and see if any apply to your business. To complete the process, pay using a major credit card. And that's it. Now you know all about registered agents in any state and how to set one up.